Filipinos are known for being strong, resilient, and optimistic. But there's one mindset we've carried for generations, the Bahala na mentality. Some say it makes us brave, while others argue that it leads to laziness and poor decisions. But what is the real truth behind it? Is it helping us succeed or silently holding us back? Let's dive deep into this powerful Filipino mindset. Bahala na literally means come what may, or leave it to fate. But did you know that this phrase comes from the word Bathala, the ancient Filipino deity? Originally, it meant trusting a higher power while still taking action. Over time, it evolved into something else. Today, some use it as an excuse for recklessness, while others see it as a form of courage. So why do Filipinos love saying Bahala na? Because in many cases, it works. It encourages courage in times of uncertainty. It helps us take risks, adapt to challenges, and push forward despite fear. This mindset is why many OFWs leave their families behind to work abroad. Why small business owners take the leap to start their dreams. And why students still try their best even when they feel unprepared. It's the Filipino spirit of resilience. But here's the danger. When Bahala na becomes an excuse for not preparing or taking responsibility. Some people use it as an easy way out, saying Bahala na instead of making a plan or putting in effort. Imagine taking an exam without studying, gambling your last money, or quitting a job without a backup plan, all under the mindset of Bahala na. It turns from bravery into recklessness. So should we keep or remove the Bahala na mindset? The key is balance. Instead of using it as an excuse for poor decisions, use it as a mindset for courage backed by preparation. Instead of just saying Bahala na, say Bahala na, pero maghahanda ako, come what may, but I'll be ready. That way, we still embrace our bravery, but we also ensure our success. What do you think? Is Bahala na helping or hurting us? Comment below and let's discuss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more insightful Pinoy content. See you on the next video.